Good PM. Today is Saturday, December 16, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Shore 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Saturday, December 16, 2023. Here are the SL Shore 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for December 16, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for afternoon of Saturday, December 16, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.